1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu SS clone. Small block Chevy with a cam. Good oil pressure, quick snappy revs. Showing 20 pounds of oil pressure at warm idle. We're about 190. Signals work, indicators work, headlights work, high, low, and park lights all work. Wipers, low and high, all work. Wash, I do not hear a pump. Cigarette lighter, ashtray, good shape. Radio, swapped in aftermarket, still has the knob holes. Wouldn't be trouble to get yourself an old one and throw it in just to complete the look. No audio out of that one. Defrost works. Hot or outside air are your options here. Oh, but they work. You got your feet vent. I had them open on the way out. A little warm today. Feels good. One of my favorite features on these old classics is that air vent down there. Makes for a good ride when you don't have AC. Glove box in great shape. Tire pressure sticker still there and legible. Day-night mode work on the rear view. Good mounting. Visors, great shape. A little bit of piping coming off on the ends of both. Not bad though. Headliner's been redone. It's in great shape. Shows a little sun fade on the back. Both sides. Not bad. All windows work. Manual crank, front and rear. Work good. Door seals are in good shape. Felts, likely original. In good shape. You know, there's a little bit of wear here, but in good shape. Vent window works smooth. We'll keep it open, see if it, you know, swings in with the wind. It feels pretty stiff. I don't think it will. That's it. No horn. I was trying it. But idle's nice. Starts up good. Mild cam sound. Nice deep exhaust note. Then it's coming out of the smaller diameter pipes. Gives it a little pop. No cackle though. Alright, let's go down the road with it. Alrighty, got the drone in the air. Let's go reverse. Neutral. Drive. Slight rattle from the center speaker. Sitting on a set of Riddler wheels. Really gives it a good look. I'm always impressed the drone can track me through that tree. Very timeless, super nice look with the white and red interior. Manual brakes, they work good. All right, so we're in a restored 1967 Chevelle SS clone. Vent window's doing great in the wind. Lock works. Nice. Popped up small block, automatic transmission. Good running, driving car. Nice Riddler wheels. Drums front and rear, manual brakes, track straight, doesn't pull. Downshifted fine, accelerates fine, no bog or anything like that. These are one of my favorite looks for the Chevelle. The angular taillights pointing out. Hard braking works great, as you just saw. But yeah, one of my favorite looks. Clean, classic. They look good restored, they look good original, they look good lower, they look good any way you want to do them, they look good. Runs cool, runs about 190 all day long. I had it sitting still for almost an hour doing my photos, and it was right at 200 when I hopped in. Did a lap around the park before I did my startup video just to cool it down, move some coolant, and it cooled down to 190 quite quickly. So I'd say it's set up cooling system wise. Transmission shift's good. Brakes work good. Nothing wrong with the car, everything works. Power steering. I think that's it for your accessories, alternator and power steering. No tack, but it feels about like 22, 2300. Doing 55, 65, let's get there. There's 60. Sitting at about 50 pounds of oil pressure. There's 65 for you. Now that feels closer to 3. You could do it for a short stint. I don't think she'd want to live there on the highway though. It's a 55, right in the right lane kind of car. Alright guys, well go ahead and take a look at all the photos. Watch the video again if you want some detail shots. Any questions, give us a call or leave a comment on YouTube. I'll get back to you. While you're there, go ahead and like, subscribe, watch another video. All those things help our channel. If you got a car to sell, give us a call. We do trades, consignments, buy outright, you name it. All right. See you guys later.